I'm Gene, this is Lindsay. We're with Treasure Valley Eco Wash out of Boise, Idaho.
Trash bin eco wash business in the Treasure Valley means to us bringing jobs to the community, bringing sustainability and eco-friendly solutions to the community, and
Supporting the community with a service that isn't really there right now.
when we were shopping, looking around for the right company, we were looking for several things.
First was, can we work with these people? Are they honest?
Are they trustworthy?
Eco Wash Industries is one of the most reliable and honest companies I've ever worked with.
With the best products, we shopped around and we researched. We did a lot of research, and every other company in the industry either wasn't very clear or we weren't sure what they were really providing, and Eco Wash Industries really has provided us with not just a great quality product, but answers and solutions, and they've been very great, easy to work with.
The training from Eco Wash is fantastic.
Yes.
I had a lot of questions, and the guys walked me through everything I was worried about, and now I'm ready to start the business.
And we know that any questions that we have, we're in constant contact with them, so we feel good about our line of communication.
Shop around with some other companies. We didn't like what we saw, but with Eco Wash Industries, the policies, what the vision is for Eco Wash Industries, we liked everything about that. That's the direction that we went.
It was a superior product with more
Customer service.
customer service, but what else?
Just, you're there 24/7, and we can count on Eco Wash Industries to be there for us.
A better product and better ingenuity, better planning, better resources, more organized altogether. Right?
It seemed like Eco Wash Industries is definitely connected to every community that they've worked with, everybody, every client they've ever dealt with as well.
Plus, we really feel like Eco Wash Industries actually cares. They're not just trying to sell a product. They actually are invested in their community and the surrounding communities with a purpose and intention to make the world a greener, better place. Is constant communication, and what else?
Innovative ideas, technology, and just where is the industry going, and keeping us informed as far as Eco Wash Industries, where you guys are headed. Hopefully we get that support from you, which so far I believe that is going to be true. Every day.
We feel confident that we're going to find this in Eco Wash Industries.
Definitely.
Every day.
We're planning on coming back to Eco Wash Industries for more trucks, more equipment. Absolutely.
We have words of advice to others starting out in this industry. Do your research, shop around, look around, see what's out there. Eco Wash Industries was, on top of their game and provides the best product, we believe. But definitely look around, and you'll come back to Eco Wash Industries.